Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel name. Today we're diving into a game changer for your kitchen, especially if you love eggs as much as I do. Say hello to the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. Whether you're a busy professional, a parent on the go, or just someone who appreciates a perfectly cooked egg, this gadget is about to make your life a whole lot easier. Let's crack into it. So what makes the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker so special? First off, it's all about speed and convenience. This little powerhouse can cook up to 6 eggs at once, and you can choose to make them soft, medium, or hard-boiled, whatever suits your taste. No more guessing games, no more overcooked yolks. And it's not just for boiling. You can make poached eggs, scrambled eggs, and even omelets. Using it is super simple. Just add water using the included measuring cup. Place your eggs on the tray, select your preferred setting, and hit start. In just a few minutes, you'll have perfectly cooked eggs every time. Look at that, absolutely perfect. The yolk is exactly how I like it, runny but not too runny. And the best part, the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker automatically shuts off when your eggs are done, so you don't have to worry about overcooking. And it's not just about breakfast. This cooker is versatile. You can whip up a quick egg salad for lunch, make deviled eggs for a party, or prep your protein for the week. The possibilities are endless. Cleaning up is a breeze too. The non-stick surface makes it easy to wipe down, and all the removable parts are dishwasher safe. It's hassle-free from start to finish. Whether you're an egg aficionado or just looking for a simple way to make your morning smoother, the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker is a must-have. It's compact, affordable, and incredibly efficient. I've been using it every day, and I honestly don't know how I lived without it. So if you're ready to upgrade your kitchen game, click the link in the description to grab your Dash Rapid Egg Cooker today. Trust me, your breakfast will never be the same. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more awesome content. See you next video.